wait before you skip this, because I want to share something that's genuinely changed my daily routine, the gelatin trick. It's a simple, yet powerful habit that's all about harnessing the benefits of gelatin to support our overall wellness. When you incorporate the gelatin trick into your morning, it's like giving your body a gentle nudge towards balance and harmony. Researchers have found that gelatin can help soothe and heal the gut, which in turn can lead to a stronger immune system and even clearer skin. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for months, swears by its ability to reduce bloating and boost energy levels. She adds a spoonful of gelatin to her morning tea and then watches her body wake up without that heavy, sluggish feeling. The gelatin trick is all about creating a daily ritual that's easy to stick to, using basic ingredients from your kitchen. By doing the gelatin trick, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily life, check out the link in my description below and dive into the conversation in my pinned comment, where I'll be sharing more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of this amazing habit.